you can be better, more efficient, more collaborative, all those great things that make you a better leader, a better executive in the work that you do. But what would be the point if you just had no sense of direction in your life, in your work? You're just doing for the sake of doing. I think it's very important to have a sense of what your purpose is, using your innate ability, knowing your skills, knowing how you can help others. And it's for that very reason that I am holding my in-person event, my personal mastery workshop, taking place in London on the 16th of September. It's called Conquer the 9 Pillars of Personal Mastery. Fulfill your true potential. I'll see you there.